Hey, welcome back to the Six Figure Mastermind. Marianne here with you today. We're talking about how to repair a damaged customer relationship. It can be done. I'll show you how. Stay tuned. If you've been in business for any amount of time, you know how rough it is to have a customer relationship that's kind of on the rocks. All right, so let's talk about how to repair the customer relationships, and you might be surprised to find out what damaged them in the first place. When you're working with a customer, it's best to get on the same page first and foremost. A customer who's having problems usually needs to be heard and actually might need to be validated in whatever it is they're struggling with. So listen to your customer. In fact, recommend that you get on the phone together one-on-one as soon as possible. Now, actually, the opposite is true if you're face-to-face with your customer. Your phone might actually be doing more damage than good in a very surprising way. Now, if you've got your phone in your hand when you're talking to your customer, imagine what that tells your customer. Subconsciously, I guarantee you that they're thinking whatever is going on in the phone in your hand is more important than your interaction with them. It might surprise you that something so small will make such a big difference, but imagine getting with someone who's willing to say, put their phone aside, not even have it visible, and really be focused on you. That's going to be so pivotal for your business because the customer wants to feel important. And if you want to repair the relationship, the customer has to come first. So first and foremost, if you can, get in a meeting with your customer. If not over the phone, then directly in person. And if it's directly in person, put the phone away. One other thing to consider when you're repairing customer relationships is how you're showing up online. A lot of people love to use social media as a forum to complain or to vent, and they love to complain about customers, right? You see it all over the place with people working, retail jobs and things like that. They'll say, oh, this customer came in and it was really rough and maybe they were mean. Okay, you can't be doing that. And if you have done that, I'm going to encourage you to go back in your social media and delete all of those posts. Don't text family and friends about customers that give you a hard time because that's like the gateway drug, right, to complaining to other people about it. If you have a mentor that you're working with and you have a struggle with a customer, go to your mentor, talk to them about it, about how you can actually problem solve. But if you're feeling like you need to vent or to gripe, turn that off, all right? Don't even do that, and especially online in a public forum. Another thing that could damage your relationship with your customers is speaking poorly of other customers. Okay, so if you have a customer, maybe that's with you, and you have another one that's leaving, and you start, oh, that was really hard. Even the smallest thing can damage your relationship with an existing customer, thinking, oh, I wonder how they're talking about me when I leave. So take it and flip it. One of my favorite things that my hairdresser does, she's an entrepreneur, brilliant businesswoman. You can find her on Instagram, Christina Kreidel. She will actually speak positively about the customer as they walk out the door, intentionally in earshot. Say something like, oh, I love it when she comes in, or man, she's so fun to work with, or she makes me laugh every time she sits in my chair. Repairing customer relationships starts with the small things. It starts with being totally focused on your customer when you're one-on-one with them, either in person or on the phone. Put away all other distractions. You can't be Facebooking while you're talking to your customers. You can't be distracted with other things. They need your laser focus. And trust me, they'll feel it. Number 2, speak positively to and about your customers in front of them and behind their back. You want to speak positively to other customers about your customers so that your existing customers feel like you're talking positively about them as well. Number 3, and here's the bonus. I want you to be a problem solver and a solution provider for your customer. If they're coming to you with a problem, the worst thing you can do is say, I'm sorry, I can't help you. Even if you don't know how to help them, you do the homework that you need to do to find an answer. So your answer doesn't sound like, sorry, I can't help you. It sounds like, you know what, I'm going to dig until I can find an answer for you, and I'm going to get back with you within the next 24 hours. Okay, the more accessible you are to your customer, the better relationships it's going to be. Even if you never do business with them again, they can leave with a good taste in their mouth having worked with you because you solved their problem. Hey, thanks for watching today. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and give the bell a ring if you want to get a notification every time we produce a new video for you. And if you want to learn how to work directly with me in building your six-figure business, hit up the link in the description below and I'll be chatting with you soon.